Hello everybody, how have you guys been doing, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide Ruby Post Guide videos. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can redeem your Airbnb gift card. Alright, so for those people who do not know what Airbnb is a platform where you guys can book hotels for yourself, right? Whenever you're going for a trip, you can book a hotel over here. Alright, so let me show you guys how you guys can redeem its gift card. So follow the step, just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. Let's move on. First step, you want to search for airbnb.com and log in into your account. So this is the official website of Airbnb, and you have to log in into your account in order to redeem the gift card. Otherwise, where's the gift card gonna go? So once you're over here, you can click on this three line over here and go on where it says, account over here. Now, once you go on your account, scroll a bit down and click on where it says payout and payments over here, or payments and payout. You can see it, click on it. Once you're over here, scroll a bit down. And where it says gift card, if you have a gift card, click on add gift card. Once you click on add gift card, over here you can enter the pin of your gift card, and the pin number is going to be on the back side of your gift card. Just scratch it. There's going to be a little grayish area. You can scratch the grayish area, enter the pin over here, click on redeem gift card. If the code you entered over here is correct, or the pin you entered over here is correct, then your gift card is going to be redeemed. All right, so that's how you guys can redeem a gift card. But if you guys want to add coupons, so if you guys have coupons, you can click on add coupon. All right, once you're over here, you need to enter the code which is given on your coupon. Once you enter the code, click on redeem coupon, and your coupon is going to be redeemed, and you're going to get whatever thing the coupon has. All right, so yeah, that's how you guys can redeem coupon as well. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye. Until then, stay safe and peace out.